When we are finding information for academic research, we often need to use a library database. You may have already done some basic searching in one of the library's databases. The Union Library has over 100 databases, which might feel overwhelming. So we've created research guides to help you choose the right database. Research guides are the starting place for your research, and there is one for every subject area taught at Union. For today's video, we'll use the Biology Research Guide. You can find research guides on the library's homepage under Library Materials. They're listed alphabetically, so scroll down until you see Biology. Each research guide has contact information for a librarian and a link to schedule a research coach appointment. You can also find tabs for finding articles and finding books. The Additional Resources tab includes things like databases for graphics and ebooks, and there's also a few helpful websites listed on the Useful Websites tab. We're going to head to the Finding Articles tab. This is where you'll find a list of library databases that match your subject area. We separate databases into two categories: general databases that cover a wide range of topics, and subject-specific databases that cover specific things. We usually recommend searching in both types of databases to find the best information. I like to use Academic Search Complete by EBSCO as my general database because it has a user-friendly interface. Clicking on the title of the database will open the database in the same tab. You may want to right-click on the title of the database to open it in a new tab so you can get back to the research guide. When Academic Search Complete is open, you will see an advanced search screen, which means there are multiple search boxes instead of one like you'd see in a Google search. Multiple search boxes help you keep your search terms and keywords organized. Before we start a search, let's look at some of the other features on the advanced search screen. Next to the search bars, you'll see drop-down menus for fields that tell the database exactly where to find your keywords. These field-specific searches are helpful when you're trying to find an article by a specific author or in a specific journal, or if you want your keyword to be in the title of the article. You can add other filters now or wait until you've done your first search. Some important filters to note are the publication date filter, which limits to articles published within a specified time period. Sometimes your professors will require you to have articles published within a certain time, and this filter saves you the effort of checking each article individually. Another filter is the peer-reviewed filter, which brings up only articles that are peer-reviewed. If you're interested in learning more about the other search options on the advanced search page, you can watch our Tech Tip Tuesday videos on Instagram or schedule a research coach appointment. Now we can do a search using keywords we generated from our research questions or thesis. I like to use one search term or keyword per search bar, but you can put all your keywords in the same search bar. From the results page, you can add filters if you haven't already done so. Then we'll start looking at article titles for entrance and relevance. The search results page also includes the abstract for the article, which is the summary of the article. Reading the abstract helps you know if the article has potential for being useful. If the abstract is relevant, you'll want to download and email the article to yourself. Using the three-dot menu tools, you'll find a download option and a share option, which allows you to do an email. We recommend doing both the download and the email in case something happens to one of them, you have a backup. Before starting to read your article, you'll want to find additional articles that seem like a good fit. You'll want to find more articles than the number of required sources for your assignment. You also may need to add to your search list and go to the next page. You can also try different keywords or additional keywords to get the best sources. Remember, research takes time. It is not common that the first 3 results will be the best sources. So don't stress about not finding what you're looking for right away. Sometimes it takes trial and error, or you might want to schedule a research coach for additional help. Another tool that might be useful is the citation tool. This tool allows you to quickly generate a full citation for your article. Using the three-dot tool menu, you'll click the Cite button that has the quotation marks. You can use the drop-down menu to choose the appropriate citation style. Then copy to clipboard or copy and paste the citation that you see in the gray box. Always double check that your citation is accurate. Clicking on the title of the article will bring you to the details page. You can use all the tools for downloading and citing articles from this page if you prefer. They're found at the top above the title. As you're looking at the results page, notice words that repeat and might be relevant to your research. You'll want to add these to your keyword brainstorming list. These could be words in the titles or the subjects. In our next video, we're going to look at searching in a subject-specific database.